Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer a pretty interesting Lotus Esprit Turbo. Black with an oatmeal, sort of a gray interior. Pretty original car. We purchased this back east out of a Lotus car collection, and the gentleman owned it, I think, about 10 years. And you know, drove it a little bit, just played with it, had it in his garage, but just kind of part of his Lotus car collection. The speedometer reads 39,000 original miles, and according to the CARFAX, that is absolutely original. That is the original mileage on the car. It's still wearing its original paintwork, and so this is a 5-speed turbo car. It's a 2.2 liter. I think the engine's rated at 215 horsepower. So it's a fantastic supercar for the modest price we're asking. You get just brilliant performance out of this car. And so let me take you around the body here. So paintwork is original, and it is showing just kind of normal Lotus, you know, fiberglass black paintwork for the era. There are some nice panels like this corner, a couple small chips on the door. Front fenders look nice. You know, there's a little bit of a little rub through here. You can see it's just rubbed through the clear. The rest of the hood's just beautiful on the car. Up front here, there's a couple kind of little spidering bits going on this. This is probably a high stress corner for the fiberglass, but that's very, very typical as well. Little bit of a chattering through there on the behind the badge. You can see a little bit of spidering on these top corners, but the sides are pretty nice. So it seems to me that, you know, if the car was facing up against the sun, it was getting fairly hot and you know, causing a little bit of this blistering in the clear coat. So definitely repairable. Not really, you know, not really a candidate for a full repaint because it's bordering on such a nice original car. So these are the original wheels. Very nice, newer Dunlop tires. We'll finish this walk around and I'll show you the interior. Yeah, very good panel fit. Excellent panel fit. Never been crashed. Never had any, you know, no stories with this car. Just a nice, genuine 39,000 mile Esprit Turbo. We repainted this back bumper, so that's in lovely condition. Because it just came in and it was a bit flaky and primary. So, but good tail lights, lovely rear tires. Let's look at the interior here. I know it has, I'll just show you the glass real quick. It has all the original triplex glass, even the original triplex windshield. I don't know if these side doors should be tinted, but I'd probably take that off. So inside here, we have a lovely original interior. This is all the original trim, all the original leather. We've had the car cleaned, but I think it could take a few more weeks of kind of conditioning on these leather seats. They are in very good condition. They are in, you know, the originals are in great shape. Headliners. So the headliner's pretty nice and original, decent overall. Original dash. Original carpets, like we said. I'll show you the other side real quick. So there's the passenger side door panel. Dash is all nice and original. So yeah, pretty much untouched. Completely original interior. Original carpets, original seats, original shift knob there. So very, very nice, very presentable. I'll show you under the hood here, the front hood. Thin plate. All very nice and clean and original. Original spare. I'll show you the engine compartment. So there it is, 2.2 liter fire-breathing Dragon. The car came in and the wastegate was a little bit sticky on the turbo, so we played with that and massaged it, corrected that. You can see a driving video preceding this walk around. Very, very good mechanicals, very healthy car, runs and drives pretty nicely. But like I said, it has been sitting on and off for a little while, and probably could just have a little look at by your British mechanic. But mechanically, very, very nice. Very normal for its 39,000 miles. So pretty nice car. Here, when you look at the rest of the market and you see what you can get for this sort of money, there's really no comparison. I mean, you're getting just blistering supercar performance out of this Turbo Esprit. So great value here. 1980s supercar, turbocharged, blistering performance, and yeah, I mean, just try looking for another one at the comparable price and money. It's very hard to find these. They are in demand. They're very up and coming. People don't realize the low production on Turbo Esprits, and all, for any Esprit for that matter. They're all pretty low production cars. And we've got this lovely sort of genuine original 39,000 mile car here. Quite tasty, quite original, turnkey, ready to go. Doesn't need hardly anything. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. You can see us driving this car around on the streets preceding this video, and quite great value here. I don't think you're going to be seeing something this reasonable in the future. So, and there it is, 1988 Turbo Esprit Coupe, black on, let's call it oatmeal, alloys, 5-speed, turbocharged 2.2 liter engine, 215 horsepower, and it's for sale.